Right, my lovely Year 7. So, today what we're going to look at is we're going to continue with what Mrs. Pankhurst did the other day. And we are going to look at adding mixed fractions. So in your books, please write the title, Adding Mixed Fractions. Underline it, and the date today is the 13th of the 1st, 2021. Now, the benefit of this recording is you can pause it and rewatch it any time you need. So the first thing we're going to do 1.5 plus 2 3/8. And the first task you're going to do is we're going to add the whole numbers. Well, the whole numbers are these things. That and that. They're the whole numbers. 1 plus 2 gives you your answer of 3. But wait a minute. We still have this half and there's 3/8 left over. So we've still got to add those two. And so we've got 3 wholes, and then we have 1/2 plus 3/8. So next job, we've added the whole numbers. Now we have to add the fractions. Let's go. So this time I've now got 1/2 plus 3/8. So I write down the whole number. That whole number I have got from here. That 3 is there. That 3. Now I have to do the green bits. 1/2 plus 3/8. Now for me to do that, I know I have to make the same denominator. So I've got a 2 there and an 8 there. Let's write down those times tables. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. Well, I have an 8 here and an 8 here. So my denominator, my bottom number, can be an 8. Now, what did I times the 2 by to get to 8? Well, I had to times that 2 by 4. 2 4s are 8. And that means I have to times the numerator by 4. 1 4 gives me 4. So what was 1/2 here has now become 4/8. The next thing, looking at this bit here, I've got 3/8. So if the denominator is 8, I have times this by 1, so I times that by 1. 3 times 1 gives me an answer of 3. We add these two. So finally, last thing I have to do is simplify. So I have 3 wholes and 4 plus, and that's come from here. And then I've got 4/8 plus 3/8, so 4/8 plus 3/8 giving me a total of 7/8. And that is your final answer. 3 7/8. Ladies and gentlemen, please have a go at the task set by Mrs. Pankhurst on Dr. Frost. It's Dr. Frost, 13th of the 1st, adding mixed numbers. Good luck, and I will speak to you tomorrow in a live lesson. Take care, my lovelies, and I hope you're well. Bye.